mother's good at doping you up. She'll dope you up on something good.
Don't shake your head, okay?
He's got a smile on his face and everything. He's probably joshing you. Joshing.
We almost got rear-ended.
All caught on camera. Yeah, when people
I
stop
know,
like this,
I
this
know.
is the worst.
It's not your fault, but still, I know.
You got even closer.
But you shouldn't be stopping. These are someone old.
It's either a young driver or they're not from around here.
It's the most dangerous spot right here.
Oh, there's another
We're
one.
driving slow, I bet it's old. And not for
Why did you rest my head on the couch right away? Yeah, why did you go on it?
Go on where?
On this side.
Who wants to go this way?
There's all kinds of ways of getting home, Dylan.
Dad, you gave me
You can go the short way, the medium way, or the long way.
short way.
What an absolutely terrible road to be backing out into.
When I get home, I will take off closer and lay down right away and rest my head.
I give you Tylenol, buddy, if you need it.
Yeah, thanks for, Dad, for hurting my freaking head. I have a headache and my head is aching. Why are we taking here?
Because I don't like that other connector road.
Why?
Because you're going down a hill and then you're going to do hard braking and take a right. And here, you don't have any of that stuff.